Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix sorry there was a problem with your request error on Instagram. So let's get into it. Number 1. Check your internet connection. Poor internet connectivity is one of the most common reasons why your Instagram is likely to display the sorry there was a problem with your request error. Check your device data connection to ensure you've turned your internet connection on. If you are using Wi-Fi, ensure you are within range for a good connection. For data connection, confirm that you have not exhausted your data balance or you may need to reload your data balance. Number 2. Restart your phone. Restarting your device is one of the simplest yet most effective solutions to most tech problems. To get your Instagram back and running, restart your phone by holding down on the power button, then clicking Restart. Restarting your device shuts off its network connection and allows it to make a fresh connection before attempting to connect to Instagram servers. Number 3. Update the app. If you haven't updated the Instagram app for a while, then it can behave abnormally and cause issues. So make sure you are using the latest version. Go to Play Store or App Store and search for Instagram. If it says update, then update the app. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.